Let's assemble some fifth element mini stones. Place the cardboard white side up. Apply a long piece of tape along the edge labeled "I am a meat popsicle." Press firmly. Fold along the scored lines toward the white side. Remove the tape backing. Overlap the meat popsicle tab with the opposite side. Press firmly. Apply a long piece of tape to the blunt edge of the base. Do not remove the backing yet. Set aside. Starting with the earth stone, place with the text facing up. Apply 2 pieces of long tape to the edge labeled "I have no fire." Press firmly. Apply short pieces of tape along the edges of the tabs labeled "Bada Boom," "Super Green," "Bzzz," "Multipass," and "The fifth is life." Press firmly. Fold all of the edges toward the tape side. Next, fold the tabs toward the tape side. Remove backing from the tape that covers "The fifth is life." Attach the base to the center section, aligning between the tabs. Press firmly. Remove the tape backing from the base. Align the blank edge of the stone over the tape and press together. Press firmly. Peel the backing from the edge labeled "I have no fire." Align the tape edge over the blank edge and press together. Press firmly. Remove the backings from the short tabs. Press the top flap into place, seating the small tab in the slot. Press firmly to ensure good contact. Repeat for the remaining flap. Done. Repeat all steps for the remaining stones: earth, water, air, and fire. Thank you so much for creating with me.